Grabe. This is a real story of mine. So 3:50 p.m. right now, June 2, 2026. As I filming with my drone. So the drone has run out of battery, and the drone is here. Okay, yeah, no. Buti na lang hindi bumagsak sa tubig. Grabe. Nasa bukid rin ako. I'm in the middle of the field, rice field. Ano nangyari? I'm very, very thankful. Diyos ko, harap ako. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko papaliwanag to. Napakaswerte ko at walang nangyari sa DJI Neo 2 drone ko. Neo 2 kasi eh. So hindi siya bumalik as I was expecting to return home. Pero meron naman siyang notification na returning home kasi napakalayo niya, napakalakas ng hangin, and then suddenly the battery was running out, 15% ganun. Ako, bumagsak na lang, and then ito nangyari sa akin pa. Yan. Okay. Ay nako, para ako namatay na alaga, parang baby for ganun yung feeling na hinahanap po siya na ano ba yan, 12,000 in drone, parang ganun. And I'm just very thankful for this day na nangyari, and then tuloy pa rin shooting natin. So follow me on this Facebook, no, in this my YouTube channel. So nagfi-film ako about the documentary in the field, how disciplined the farmers now, or the people itself in the community. Okay, grabe, lakas ng hangin kasi hindi siya maka-return home. Okay, so see you next time. This is my real content. Pawis na pawis ako, grabe. Okay, see you next time.